Until the women of Iran are free, we are going to stand with you. Jian, Azadi, women, life, freedom.
Iran has handed down its first death sentence to a protester taking part in the mass uprising against the Iranian leadership, which has seen thousands take to the streets demanding basic human rights. Human rights groups are concerned that this won't be the first death sentence and that many more could follow for people who are arrested simply for protesting against brutal treatment at the hands of the Iranian authorities. Now, these protests all started with the death of one young woman, Mahsa Amini, 22 years old. She was taken into custody by the Iranian morality police for incorrectly wearing her hijab, and she was later beaten to death. Thousands have taken to the streets of Iran across dozens of cities, demanding those basic human rights, and they're showing no signs of slowing down, despite rough treatment and risking death at the hands of the Iranian security forces. Social media has been a major part of this uprising, and some would say that it would not have been possible without it. Young Iranians have been filming themselves taking a stand by cutting their hair or removing their hijabs and posting those videos on platforms such as TikTok and others, and that is emboldening other Iranian women to do the same. There are also many celebrities and other public figures around the world who've been using social media to express their solidarity with the people of Iran. But there are also concerns about disinformation, with a viral tweet going around recently claiming that Iran had already sentenced 15,000 people to death. Now, our understanding is that 15,000 people have been detained and that are at risk of the death penalty, but they haven't been executed yet. It's very difficult to get all of the information, of course, in a country where the authorities are trying to shut the internet down. Now, it's not clear how things might progress from here, but there is a growing sense in the West that this could be not just the start of a mass protest movement, but the beginning of a full-scale revolution against the Islamic Republic of Iran.